ways. Technology has played a huge difference for us. One, we've been able to adapt things from arcade games to our beds to bring in the lowest cost controllers for the beds versus very, very expensive and very scientific controls that you find in some of the power chairs. So we innovated early in the game using lower cost, very reliable, very durable type of electronics to make some of our controls affordable and to make it available for much more wider base.
So those are actually based on the
Yes,
video game?
Yes, they're from video games. They are not from the scientific world.
Oh, that's wild.
Yeah, and actually probably more reliable.
Well, they probably, I mean, you think about video game.
Yeah, a kid mashes those buttons 20,000 times to get, the next round, and so we put them on the beds, and it looked a little funky at first, but people have accepted it now, and not only have they accepted it, it's been very successful in terms of making the controls available to a wide range of people. The other area that has been extraordinarily beneficial to us and to our client base is the internet, because we were a product that was desperately needed by the people on the end, but the middle, the channel of distribution, wasn't interested. Wasn't driven by Medicare, wasn't driven by any free government reimbursement, but there were people out there willing to pay for what they wanted. They couldn't find us.
But they just, there was like the missing link, right?
Missing link. And it wasn't attractive enough or too complicated for most of the dealers. So they said, it's not for us. So we took the Rogaine strategy and advertised directly to the users. And they started banging on the doors of the dealers and said, get us this bed. We want this bed. And as a result, now we have a nationwide dealer network. It's a small network, but still it's nationwide. And
the footprint covers pretty much the whole nation?
We pretty much can cover anybody in the country.
Okay.
And if we don't have dealers there, we do handle them directly. We're skilled at doing this. It's many, many years that we've sold, shipped in beds that 99% of our clientele have never seen the bed before we shipped it.
So buying off the internet is really not an issue, even if it's via the phone. They don't necessarily have to see it, feel it, touch it.
They need to go through our careful customer service process where we go through a detailed questionnaire approach to make sure that we carefully tailor the bed to the needs of the user. And that's been extraordinarily successful. Very, very rare do we don't hit it right.